Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful summer day here. Let's have a look how the neighbor looks today. There's a big construction site here where the whole, I think it's like a huge church area, or it belongs to the church. But I don't know what it will be. If it's gonna be private or if it's still church land or whatever. It's gonna be super interesting what they're building here. It is hot. In the sun it's almost impossible to walk. Yeah, it's very aggressive sun. You gotta be careful, guys. It's also main domestic tourism season, I would say. I heard a lot of, all the children have summer vacation now. So there's a lot of more traffic here. Simply because Vietnamese drive here, like this is a perfect example. Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. That's exactly what's happening. This is a beautiful example. A lot of families, of course, drive here because it's just more, it's smarter to do, to be honest. Because let's say you have 10 people, it's better to get 2 cars. Because 10 people at the moment with these fuel prices, I think could be easily $1,000 more, or even more. I think it's more than $100 a return at the moment, domestically. I'm not 100% sure, but it went up quite a bit. So it's better to drive with a car, and that's why you have a lot of traffic jams here everywhere. So if you see this yellow number plates, those are taxis, basically Grabs or green SM, like this ones. Everything what is yellow transports people. And 51 is Ho Chi Minh City, 30 is Hanoi, 43 is Da Nang. So that's why it's also called 43 town. 43 is Da Nang. And that's why I took a ride yesterday, and from here to the river, super quick. I could have walked it in 15-20 minutes, but it was just too hot. I had also luggage, and yeah, never mind. But it took me 25 minutes or something. Crazy. I could have walked faster, to be honest. So the traffic is crazy now. Of course, it will also be worse on the International Fireworks Festival. On the last day, it will be the biggest. But yeah, every weekend probably be very, very busy. Oh, that's so cool. I really, really, really enjoy old cars at the moment. It's an old Toyota Camry. It's so rare to see old cars, guys. It's maybe 20 years old, right? Or maybe even older, maybe from the 90s. But yeah, I really enjoy whenever I see an old car. Because those old cars are usually long time in Vietnam, because as I did my research, you cannot import old cars into the country. Which is very sad, because I really, really if I wanna live here, I really wanna have an old car. I wanna import an old car. And because it's almost impossible to get this one old car I really wanna have here. Because back then, in this time, there were no luxury limousines driving around. So it's very tough to get this one car. But somehow it will happen at some point. I really want to have an old car. And it's not about a daily driver. It's just about having it and driving it around. Probably only when it's winter. You don't want to be in an old car and with this heat. I don't think these old ACs were able to compensate the heat here. But yeah, that's how it looks now. I'm trying to stay in the shade. It is super hot. But yeah, we're gonna do, of course, our walks here. There's also a brand new restaurant. So here there's the DJ usually. But check this out. There's a brand new restaurant here on the left side. And I think they kind of belong together, maybe? Check this out there. Nong Pho Da. With my limited Vietnamese skills, I translated in yummy home food here. Let me know if I'm right. Oh, look at this, they have a new bar here. That's nice. They have Huda draft beer. Interesting. Hello.
Yes.
I just want to see the menu.
Okay, okay.
You have Huda draft? Okay. All right, all right. You have a lot of cocktails.
You want me to a small shot for you, sure?
Oh, I don't drink that early. I just want to see what you have. Thank you. I'm not Australian. Bye, have a good day. I'm not Australian, guys. Oh my God. You know what I have to deal with? Like, I'm getting insulted by my close Australian friends here now and my members of this channel. First of all, I'm gonna show you a video what I got sent to from Francois, the first member of this channel here. So he sent me this. Yeah, and this is what I have to deal with, guys. But all jokes aside, I'm very happy my French-Canadian friend Francois is back, coming back very soon. But on the 1st of July, I will definitely be at the new mall. I will make a walking tour through the mall and gonna explore what's new in there. It's gonna be very busy, guys, but also very interesting. That's how it looks here. Crazy, right? Let me see what time it is. It's 10 o'clock. It's usually more packed, I would say. Or there are more people, but maybe it's too hot. Maybe it's too hot, guys. Yeah, or Western tourists are not here anymore that much. We're gonna walk, of course, through all the beach clubs always. Look at this. This is my height from my head. It's discriminating against tall people here. Oof. It's actually not that bad here. Here under the shade with the fans, it's not that bad, guys. So you can actually be here, and you don't sweat like crazy here. And it's still a lot of seats available. It's right opposite of M Hotel. So M Hotel and Balcona and TMS. I would say these are the main center hotels here in the An Thong area on the beach. Surfing is not that good today, but maybe it's good for training. Oh, check this out, guys. I just felt something here. Like, you gotta be careful here. You see? This is like how you roll your ankle. Dangerous, guys. Always keep your eyes to the front. You never know what's out there. Like the strings here. But yeah, but if you have pain, definitely recommend you going to Hoi An for a health trip. It felt very good. And I'm not sponsored by them, they don't pay me. I don't have affiliate. I have affiliate with Agoda, but I don't have an affiliate, or I don't have a code. Maybe I should ask them to get a discount for my people, but I have not yet. But there are great stuff there. I really enjoyed it. I would love to have something like this here in Da Nang. Floating tank and this. Whatever they had, I would love to have it here. Because I don't like to live in Hoi An and I don't want to drive there like every week, you know. But if you go to Hoi An and you want to combine a health trip and cultural trip, I would go there actually. Wow. The Serene Hotel is almost done. It's almost completely away. Yeah, crazy. I'm so excited actually what's happening after that. How fast are they gonna build? I really hope they have the money to build it quick. Because at the moment I see a huge problem with so many construction sites and staff. Like, I don't know, it's tough to get people, I guess, because a lot of people and construction workers, electricians and everything like that are at the moment at the new building project between Da Nang and Hue, where they built in the Hai Van Pass. You know, this whole new neighborhood, which looks super nice. I mean, it took away all the beautiful nature, but whatever it will look at the end, it's nice. I mean, it is what it is, right? This place here was also probably super nice and full of nature and no high rises. But then people built these things. Now it's a different charm, right? It's a different charm. Now people come here because of the high rises and the look. Yeah. But to be honest, if you really want to have the natural look, it's very easy still to get it. And if you just go south or north, I mean, I was in Tam Kỳ and there was literally nothing built. I mean, there were only seafood restaurants on the coast. So I think it's just 60 kilometers south of here. You have same beach, no people. And I think the same goes all the south to all the way to Phu Quoc. So it's I think pretty easy to get the state of Vietnam that was before, and not the touristy area here, because the coastline is so big. But to be honest, what do you want with a lonely beach? You know, it's like only nice to make photos for Instagram, or you go there for one day. But what do you want to do on an empty beach every day? Get sunburned and have no drinks and food and things like that. So I don't know. For me personally, I rather have it convenient and be here. Yes, you are with a lot of people, kinda, but think about it. Like I've been used to European beaches, and I think all around Mexico is the same. When I'm in Playa del Carmen or something like that, it's like packed. If it's this hot, this sun, it's packed. But as you can see, even though it's full tourist season, it's not packed. However, as soon as the sun goes down, this beach will be looking like a crazy festival. It will look like a festival scene. Like, as soon as the sun goes down, everything is full here. That you have to keep that in mind. But if you want to just go on the daytime and have a bath, but still, I highly recommend you staying in the shade. Yeah, be careful, guys. I saw on my Hoi An walking tour, I don't know where she was from, I think from Russia, but she was so red, I felt it hurt me. She looked like a lobster. Like, yeah, very dangerously red. So keep in mind, stay safe. Yeah, 12 o'clock should be inside time. Go for spas during the hot and summer time here. At noontime. Hello! Oh, no, I'm a walker. I'm German, I walk. Ah, okay. Very good. I mean, I'm wearing my German jersey. I think they need to know we Germans, we walk. Or maybe he looks at my big belly and like, maybe he needs a ride. Totally legit. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out this video here, what I did in Hoi An. Very nice. Very nice. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next walk.